Nearly any project can be enhanced by adding a few simple angle cuts. This basic table gains a lighter look with tapered legs, while the angled apron and top create a contemporary feel. But accurate and consistent taper cuts can be time-consuming to create safely, until now. The new MicroDial tapering jig from MicroJig offers you 4 ways to safely and accurately lay out and cut tapers, and can be used as a straight line rip guide as well. You can lay out your taper by the angle required with microstops down to 1/8 of a degree. Or by the rise and run of your cut line with microstops as little as 1/16 of an inch per foot. There are adjustable memory stops which allow for repeated cutting of multiple angles, such as with table legs or wedges. Or you may use the more traditional method of aligning your layout marks to the miter slot, then adjusting the rip fence accordingly. Safe and accurate cutting always starts with a clean edge, so the MicroDial tapering jig is designed to safely guide along your rip fence while controlling rough lumber, providing a clean edge to work from. Let's look at each of these features in turn and explore how they work.